Harsh Kumar Khatri, and in today's video I'll be telling you about an app which I built while I was doing the 30 day with Kotlin challenge, which was organized by Google. Yeah, so this app is the name of this app is Dice Roller app, and basically it is an app in which you get a button to roll the dice and get the different values. The use of this app can be there whenever you are playing a Ludo game or the Snake with Ladders game and you have lost the dice, then you can use this app for sure and play with that without the fear of losing the dice. So let's get to the initial screen. Here, as you can see, it has a dice roll button and a clear button. Both the button are there to make the user interact with the app. The dice roll button will roll the dice in the position which I am marking in the screen. Once the dice is rolled, you can click the dice roll button to change the number. There may be possibility that there are two same numbers, and the clear button will clear the dice for the next player to load. So as you can see, whenever I click the dice roll button, a different number is displayed on the dice. There may be possibility that some animations like jumping of the dice and then rolling can be added to this app, but I haven't added them. When we click on the clear button, the dice is removed and we see a white screen. So I'll be linking the code for this app in the description down below, which is for my GitHub repository, and all my social media handles will be there in description for you to connect with me. If you want full video for this app, like how I made it, you can comment it down and I'll surely make a video for you. So that's it for the video.